So yeah, we're back working on the Turbo Civic again this week. So back to priming up and stuff like that. So last week we got the bonnet, guards and the engine bay all primed up. So they're looking good. Just got to go over them quickly with some sandpaper, but yeah, we'll probably get into priming up the rest of the body today. So just got to go over it with some sandpaper and take off a bit of the surface rust and get it smooth again, and then I'll mask up the rest of the car and we'll get into priming. So that's what we're going to do now anyway. So yeah, got the car all sanded down, ready to prime. So I'm going to go ahead and mask it up now. Had it washed off as well, so it's had a chance to dry anyway. So it's all dried off. But yeah, gonna go ahead and mask it all up and then get into some of the priming. Just want to let you guys know I'm not a professional at this, so if you got any suggestions on how to do it or some advice, let me know in the comments. But I've watched a few tutorials, so I'm gonna give it my best go anyway. So get into that now anyway.
No one likes Porsches, because the only people who buy Porsches are those Fortnite people, and they also buy Teslas.
What did I work? They are moving you know. The other day there was two ladies talking with their dogs. We were quiet as like went on the opposite side of the road quiet, and we like waved at them. They didn't wave back. They just looked grumpy. Complained about us going on bike track and making hats. Oh, sure. Yeah, so like just the Karen, eh? So yeah, got the car all masked up and got some plastic all over it. So gonna go ahead and give it a prime now. So gonna start off by giving them a wipe down with some wax and grease remover. I've gone ahead and used, I wiped it down with just a rag and some water just to get off all the dust and stuff. So yeah, I'll go ahead and do the wax and grease remover, and then we'll get into priming it. So I'm gonna probably start priming up some of the little spots, like in here it's a bit rough in here, so I'm gonna start off with priming up some of that, and then I'll close it all up and we'll get into priming the rest of the car. So get into that now anyway. Free like farm, like paddocks and stuff. It wasn't that long, and then we went over this big like bridge thing, a stop bar, like a thing that only bike. All the people, like the bikers, were smiling at me. It was probably because they like knew that how's this guy gonna get his bike turned around. Shame on them. Yeah, people probably do, man. So yeah, got the car all primed up, so it's looking pretty good. It's a bit windy in some spots, so as I'm putting the primer on, it started drying, but before it even touched the panel. But apart from that, it's looking alright. So I just got to go over and give it all a guide coat, and then just touch up some of the spots that are a bit low. So apart from that, it's looking good though. So be probably ready for some paint in the next couple of weeks anyway. So back end's looking mint as. It's just the door panels have a couple of dings in, but yeah, other than that, it's looking good. So should get into giving it a guide coat and whatnot in the next video, and then we'll be ready for paint. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.